Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali. You may be thinking, wait, haven't you done one of these? And I have. However, I think this truck is so good, such a bargain for what you get, that I think it deserves a revisit. I am in love with this truck. Fitted with the Duramax 6.6 liter diesel V8. There isn't another motor I'd have in this truck. Onyx black on dark walnut and dark ash gray. Total price comes to $78,810. So this has the Duramax, the Denali Ultimate Package, which includes all your HD surrounds, everything like that, the Onyx Black, and the Snowplow Prep Package. One of my favorite features of this truck is this little cubby hole here, where you can put a drill or anything like that. Six-way tailgate. So you have that. Alright, so actually I'll go through each and every mode. That. This, so you can have a little barrier. Normal tailgate. Tailgate with a lip. Drop that down so you can access further into the bed. Drop that down, you have a step. Bring this boom up. And there you are. Sit here, enjoy, a nice day at the park with your wall outlet here. Just absolutely fantastic. You also have very reminiscent of the old step sides. You have a step there. Just absolutely awesome in here. Do have a nice little grab handle. It's actually really easy to get in and out of this truck. Nice ventilated seats on this decently hot day. I'll go ahead and turn them down for the video. Have all your different cameras. You can see what's in the bed. Just really, really cool. You also have the virtual rear view mirror. Go ahead and flip that switch and it turns on. Just an absolutely beautiful truck. All your materials are really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in four-wheel drive high, just because this has so much torque that it overwhelms the rear wheels when you try to apply power. It's actually really, really torquey. and I am a huge fan. Can't. This also has the 10-speed automatic. They were able to beef up that 10-speed to handle all the additional torque that this motor dishes out, as well as stand up to the abuse that the owner might put it through. You have two main driving modes. You have normal mode and off-road mode. The tires that come with this from the factory are off-road based tires, so this thing would be absolutely perfect for off-road conditions. If it's not, I know for the 2500 we offer the AT4 off-road package, which beefs up the off-road capabilities just a touch. Well, not just a touch, quite a bit. But I'm not sure if we offer it on the 3500. If we do, that's the dream truck right there. You get a 3500 AT4. That thing would be a monster. Overall interior comfort, very, very nice. Of course, with this being the Denali trim, I mean, you come to expect the absolute pinnacle of luxury in this truck, and it gives it to you without a doubt. Absolutely beautiful materials, all the features I would ever need. It's kind of why I want to buy one of these things. If I had the money to buy this right here, right now, I totally would. And that's something that a lot of reviewers, I think, would say the same thing. Oh man. Not only is this thing quick for a truck, this thing's just flat out quick. This is very impressive. I drive a car daily with 500 horsepower, and yet I still think this is very, very quick. It throws you back in the seat like nothing else. Well, maybe a Tesla, but it's just absolutely mesmerizing how much torque this 6.6 puts out. You can put it into low mode and limit what gear the transmission sticks to, but I prefer to just leave it and drive. It does exactly what I want it to. I just engaged the exhaust brake. Provides a little bit more stopping power by closing the exhaust valves it changes something with the valves in the engine to slow down the truck without using the brakes. It's really ingenious, and it definitely helps. I can definitely feel it. When I've driven the one before this, I tried it out, and I was a huge fan of it. There's the exhaust brake. It works wonders for this thing, man. Whoa. Overall, man, what a truck. It's just absolutely mind-boggling. We're almost in an era much like the 1960s and the muscle car wars. We're in that battle right now with diesel trucks. I see the torque figures and the power from these trucks only going up from here. And to think about that, we're already at what I thought was barely possible a couple years ago, and it's absolutely mind-boggling to me to see where we are at today and what we could be at in the future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.